Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clean the C drive on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your disk PC. Now, from here, select your local disk C or your system drive. Then just click on the three dot icons. From here, just put it a little bit down and click on the three dot icon and you'll see cleanup right here. Just click on cleanup. And you'll see this menu appear. This is basically the cleanup menu. You can select everything from here that you want to delete. And after that, you can also clean up your system files. If you want to do that, just click on system files. And this is going to scan your drive for the system files and give it some time. It's going to come back with this menu again. Just select everything from here that you think you won't be needing. And after that, just click on OK. Click on delete files. Then just give it some time, it will go ahead and clean the C drive for you. And after it has been done, you can see that your local disk C has been cleaned up. And basically that is how to clean the C drive on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.